fire pit's friggin' soupy. It's gross. Gotta move it. Here, can we get it? It's a big one. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Perfect. It's level and everything. Oh, nice. Throw a little rock over.
What's that?
Throw a little rock over. Just huck her right here.
I don't want to.
I got steel toes, so
I don't want to smash my stuff.
oh,
Like, missed the throw. Alright. Oh, this is a big.
no, that one's a big one. You might need a hand. Or you got her?
Ah.
Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. Alright, now if you go that way towards the tree,
Yeah, we'll put it.
we'll drop it right in the back. Should be okay. Yeah, we'll stack the little rocks around here.
Sure.
That'll throw some good heat.
Yeah. There she is.
Woo! There you go. Yeah, that stuff's all nice and dead.
I'm just gonna keep feeding her birch bark too. Once it dries out, she'll catch fire and be like kindle it.
Yeah, this stuff's all dry and dead.
We got stuff going. Let's just let her go for a bit. She's catching it. Let's go like a whore for a bit.
Yeah.
She's going.
Yeah. Alright.
Just gotta keep feeding the shit out of her until she gets some good coals.
Yeah.
Stove not. Yeah, exactly. I cleaned it not long ago, and we haven't used it. We haven't used that much since.
She's just not coming out. Oh, there we go. There we go.
There we go. Okay. I do have the friggin' bottom protector.
That's alright, yeah. That's what we got the counter for.
Alright, well, yeah, I should probably get this chicken on, I guess.
Oh, you can just throw it over there.
Okay, so I'm gonna have like a sauce bonnet cream pasta chicken dish.
Mouthful.
Yeah. Got the cream idea from one of Matthew Pose's videos. I have one Scotch bonnet pepper left. Chop this up.
Pretending to be the camera guy.
It's hot.
Can't talk.
Can't talk, I'm shooting.
Get this dick off.
What do you got in the water there? Like,
Rice.
what flavoring is that? Like
Oh,
it's
it's-
already flavored, like seasoned rice kind of?
Yeah, it's Uncle Ben's
Oh,
10-minute rice.
oh, I see. Yeah.
Just add water and butter and then
Hmm?
Spanish style.
Oh yeah.
Smells like chili though.
Kind of does.
But you're cooking that on the stove though.
Well, I think I'm going to put her on the fire actually. Just let her slowly simmer, you know?
So I can shut the stove down then?
Yeah, so I can start her again after. Thanks. Yeah, I think the stove would just burn the shit out of the friggin' cream.
Probably.
Yeah, once your pork chop's done, I'll have some space to cut the cream.
Yeah, my pork chop's almost done.
Yeah, I figured it would cut fast. What's up?
Almost lost her.
Oh yeah?
Could have been bad.
Yeah. I'm kidding. Oh, buddy. Does that ever look good? Right on. Okay. Tasty?
Yeah.
Doesn't really surprise me.
Yeah. So counter.
Best pork chop in the friggin' world. You smell the honey?
It's sweet.
Probably get that covered over my chicken. That kind of bake.
They're cooking pretty good though.
Yeah.
You can hear them.
Yeah. I'm friggin' hungry. Hungry. Okay. Now, let's grab my bag there. Okay. Paprika.
Quite a bit.
Didn't quite mean to have that much, but garlic powder just in case that garlic wasn't there.
Paprika is just ground red pepper.
Oh, is it really?
Wow. The red pepper wasn't enough.
I didn't know that.
Paprika.
I thought paprika was actually its own thing.
Might be roasted, but it is just red pepper.
I didn't know it.
Yep.
That'll get simmered in some cream. Oh. Put that there. Maybe I can. There. I'll sort of trap some heat in there. Smoke. Yeah, chicken's baking away. All right. And it's time. Time for the cream. I don't want to take too long. Probably good. Yeah. It's looking really good. Really good. Alright, adding in the noodles. Oh yeah, that's good. Time to eat. I'm just going to eat the chicken separately. Looks good like that. Oh yeah. Check this out. Oh, nice, bud. You're making the ladder. Right. I was wondering what you were making there. Nice.
Yeah.
You're right on it.
Very right.
That helps close this wall up too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good chicken. Oh yeah, I can taste the Scotch bonnet for sure. Woo. Definitely going to try this again. Like, it's worked out really good. Like, it's like one of those sidekicks meal, except with like real vegetables, and it's good. Holy, you hear that?
What?
Fucking something across the lake that wasn't you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like something crashing down.
Huh.
Tree branch, or I don't know. It sounded pretty big though.
Maybe a moose?
Maybe, or like a beaver's tail or something. Like,
Well, the lake's froze over, so they're stuck underwater.
oh yeah, you're right. Maybe it was ice cracking, like, you know, like,
Oh, maybe.
like if the water's dropped down, or was the water right at the ice when you chopped through?
No, it didn't seem to overflow right away.
Oh yeah.
So maybe there is a spot somewhere that's open.
Yeah, this is gonna wreck my butthole tomorrow. Oh yeah, well, that was good. Yeah, definitely hit the spot.